In this video, I will show you how to shut down in Monopoly Go. So step number 1, finish the current round. Allows all players to complete their turns until the current round is finished. This ensures that everyone has a equal number of turns. Step number 2, count the total value. Calculate the total value of each player's assets there. This includes their cash, properties, houses, and hotels. Add up all these values to determine each player's net worth. Step number 3, determine the winner. The players with the highest net worth is winner of the game. Number 4, conclude the game. Announce the winner and celebrate the victory. You can also take a moment to discuss memorable moments or strategies from the game. Remember, these steps are not official rules, but are commonly followed to wrap up the game of Monopoly. Some players may have house rules or variations they prefer to use. Feel free to adjust these steps based on your preferences or any agreed upon rules among the players.